I think the most important thing is to have a great product, first of all. Great products do get found by technology bloggers and journalists. So as soon as you get fantastic traction and great user numbers and those kinds of things, then we'll pretty much hear about you, or you can email us effectively. But it's just having a great product. Prior to TechCrunch, I was a journalist writing for titles like the Financial Times and The Guardian in London, and also I edited a magazine in London called New Media Age, which was the main magazine for the new media industry. Well, I think the winner is solving a big problem out in the mobile health market, and it's fascinating to see how they've tackled the problem very much from the angle of the passionate entrepreneur who has this problem themselves. And so it's great to see a passionate entrepreneur tackling a problem that they know intimately, and that's the case with this winner. The European startup scene is completely evolving upwards right now. I've never seen it more interesting and exciting as it is today. It's 5 years ago, for instance, the only people covering the European startup scene were TechCrunch Europe, and now we have multiple blogs covering the startup scene in Europe, multiple events around Europe, like Startup Week here in Vienna, and it's just amazing to see the amount of activity that's going on at the moment. My impression of this conference is I've just been blown away. It's been really exciting. There's been loads of people here, some great companies, lots of great speakers, and I think it's very interesting to see this event happen here in Vienna, because it seems that Vienna is emerging as a kind of a fantastic sort of hub which connecting Central and Eastern Europe with Western Europe, and becoming a place, a marketplace in its own right, and also an ecosystem in its own right. We really wanted to partner with this conference to create as much interest around startups from this region as possible, to give them more exposure, more visibility amongst investors and the press, and to flush out some of the innovation and the talent that's quite obviously here, but didn't necessarily have a platform until now, and that's why it's exciting to be part of this. I think my personal dream in 10 years' time is that it's as sexy to be a technology startup entrepreneur as to be a rock star.